Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back again. So guys, today we take a look again on euro currency, although mostly the patterns that we discussed yesterday stands the same. So this compares to the Great British Pound that has shown actually outstanding performance yesterday, and our daily target has been reached. I will show you the picture a bit later in this video. Euro currency has shown a bit moderate upward directions, mostly it's no significant motion to the upside, and market mostly is calling around the target that we have specified yesterday. So for example, on the cable you could see on the daily chart that our target has been hit. We said this will be agreement 31.70, our grabbers. So our trade was here, and as you can see, market right now stands at the resistance that tells, it probably should be some pullback, at least immediate straightforward action like was yesterday hardly possible because of the daily overbought. As you can see, market has met daily overbought accompanied with the fib level, which actually gives us Jod-Napoli stretch sell patterns, bearish stretch, and also it was intraday ABCD pattern. If you remember this one, it's ABC bottom, it's OP has been hit. At the same time, taking into consideration the pace of the action, and if fundamental background will remain approximately the same, because everybody understands that this was just rally mostly due to external factors, not some technical pattern or something of that sort. That was supported purely by the speculation around the stimulus pact that negotiations has turned in the most hot stage, and it's really big debates, a lot of arguing among the politicians in the United States. So Trump has been involved in this process. There's lots of persons and people who are trying to get what they want with the stimulus. And as we said in our weekly report, you will see that as Democrats, as the Republicans will try to represent the stimulus pack as a victory of its own party and accuse the counterparty that they do not want to provide people the help that they really need currently. And while we are, Republicans or Democrats, we are do everything just to give you the satisfaction, give you the necessary money that will help you in the current difficult times. So that's approximately what's going on right now in the political struggle. But anyway, if this will stand on the table, the chance to get the improvement and sign the legislation on the stimulus pack with the rest of the week till the end of the October, that will keep markets on the bullish side. And with this upward action on the cable, it really could be the XOP further to the upside. We will see. But currently at this moment, this trade is done. And today probably better to not take any long positions anymore, because as I said, market stands in the resistance. On the euro currency, situation stands a bit different because it has moved stronger in the early stage of this rally, but in the recent sessions it stopped. At the same time, while the Great British Pound has reached the OP target, the euro currency has not reached it yet, and it means that it could pass a bit more the upside just by the momentum that exists here to the 19 even area, because this is the actually ABCD target that we have. At the same time, yesterday we talked about reaction on the OP target, because here on the intraday chart on this upward rally we have the ABCD pattern, and we said keep an eye on if the market will show the reaction on the OP, some retracement, it could be the nice opportunity to take the long position on the euro currency. And currently you can see that reaction has started. It has started slightly different compared to what we expect. So we thought that's probably should be right at the touching of the OP. But then closer to the evening of the yesterday's session, lots of news have been released. I put some of them on the forum, and you can see euro currency has tried to pass through this area but has failed. Now is start dropping. So actually we're mostly watching for possible downside retracement to the same levels that we specified, 1834 this time and 1810 approximately is confidence support. Speaking on the Judd Napoli patterns, here we probably will not get the present body because markets already shows the third candle below the 3x3 and hasn't reached the major support. But the reaction of this pattern could be in the way of the double repo sell. For example, if market will show the close above 3x3, then it's collapsed, close below again, it will be the definite double repo sell. And in this case, we will be able to count on the deeper retracement somewhere to the 1810 area. That's the short-term bearish scenario. So if you trade on intraday charts, and while we're waiting on the opportunity and consideration where we could consider taking the long position, so another pattern could be formed for intraday trading. This could be the double repo pattern. That's actually what we could get. To be honest, guys, actually, even the last thrust here is suitable for Judd Napoli pattern because this take a look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars to the upside, and so match the minimal requirement number of candles, and it could be treated as the separate thrust, and you could put your deal based only on half of this whole thrusting action. Besides the targets that we have specified, they also mostly make a relation to most recent thrusting action, so actually they are the same. So whether we will get the double repo for the whole thrust or we will get just for minor parts, we anyway will be watching for 1805. And this whole upward action just provides you additional level that tells you that this is a confidence. So that's approximately the things that we will keep an eye on today. So if you have the bullish, you would like to buy, wait for a market reaction on the OP and some retracement, maybe some pattern will be formed here. If you are ready to trade on intraday charts, you also could consider, for example, Judd Napoli double repo sell pattern here. Because today, guys, it seems that recent euphoria and enthusiasm that was among the politicians concerning this stimulus pact now is fading. And the recent news discussion, the way of the discussion, how it stands, shows that, well, still it's a lot of barriers to reach the agreement, to reach the compromise on this subject. I will put the update today, this link to the Reuters article that describes in detail what's going on with the stimulus package. You will be able to read and understand what's really now is going on there. So that's our view on the euro currency. Let's see. Maybe today we will get also Judd Napoli pattern on the follow time frame chart.